Okay, I'm ready to go. It's red. We're gonna go. Welcome to the week 8 of the course. In week 8, we'll research and evaluate theoretical concepts related to planning quality in projects, including definition of quality requirements and establishment of a quality management system. Planning for quality management in project can reduce the risk of the project failure attributable to inadequate project management processes that result in outputs failing to meet defined and agreed standards. Project Quality Management Plan is a formal framework that defines the project management processes that will be applied to ensure that the project is managed in accordance with relevant methodologies and standards, so that the delivery of project outputs can be confirmed by the project client as fit for purpose. A Project Quality Management Plan provides a comprehensive overview of the quality methodologies and standards to be adopted in managing the project and in production of the outputs. Agreed processes for the management of changes, problems, issues, and incidents that emerge during the production of the outputs. Confirmation of the roles and responsibilities of relevant parties in the project governance structure and in production of the outputs. The project's client with a documented framework to ensure the production of quality project outputs and the application of the quality project management processes. Defining quality requirements in a project is tightly connected with understanding and describing the approach the organization to managing quality throughout the project lifecycle. Each organization may already have a standardized approach to quality. However, whether it's standard or not, the approach must be defined and communicated to all the project stakeholders. One of the most significant reasons to invest time in defining approach to quality and quality requirements is to prevent unnecessary rework, waste of cost and time. Definition of the project quality requirements includes the 3 key steps. Step 1. Identification of customers. Step 2. Identification of requirements. Step 3. Prioritization of requirements. Quality assurance is an important part of the quality management system of a project. Quality assurance section of the quality management plan should explain how you will define and document the process for auditing the quality requirements and results from the quality control measurements in order to ensure that quality standards and operational definitions are met. This section should also document the actual quality assurance metrics used for the project. The process for developing quality assurance activities includes the following steps. Select the relevant standard of specification. Using operational definitions, define an activity that will collect data and compare results to the plan. Develop and apply metrics. Define and provide resources. Assign responsibility to a specific entity. Assemble activities into a quality assurance plan. Quality control section of the quality management plan describes how you will define and document the process for monitoring and recording the results of executing the quality activities to assess performance and recommended necessary changes. Quality control applies to the project product as opposed to its process. It should include what are the acceptable standards for the product and how these measurements will be conducted. Quality management plan should contain a sample or a usable table to be used in taking quality measurements and comparing them against the standards and requirements. These forms may have different styles or formats. The most important aspect of this log is to provide documentation of findings in the quality management plan. If actual measurements do not meet the standards or requirements, then some action must be taken. This may be done in regularly scheduled project status meetings or as necessary throughout the project lifecycle. Activities for this week are: open and read through study notes for week 8. Watch the video presented in weekly activities section and review the readings for the topic. Please ensure you complete the discussion forum for this week. This is the 7th of the 10 accessible forums contributing to your mark for the 3rd assignment. Continue working in groups on the group project and working individually on a reflective report. If you have any questions, please post them to week 9 question and answers forums. Good luck!